Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to cover sets in this Python programming series. Nothing but in our previous video, we have discussed about tuples, right? So now here we are going to cover another most important topic, that is nothing but sets. So what makes the difference between these sets, tuples and the list? So now here we are going to cover this. So set is a collection of unique elements. It means that sets does not allow the repetition of the elements. But in case of list and tuple, we can see the repetition of these elements. As usual way, sets are unordered and mutable. It means that the elements in the sets are not stored in a order. They are altered. They can be changed. Okay, and they are the mutable. It means that the elements in the sets are changeable, and they not allow repeating the elements, store only unique values. So in mathematics we have discussed about sets, right? So in similar way where it works for in the Python also. This is the basic syntax how we can create that. So sets is a mutable data type and it stores different kind of data types. It means that integer, float value, boolean value and the strings, all this it stores, right? And when how to convert the list into the tuple? So this is the list with the repetition of these elements. When you use a set, then it removes all the elements which are repeated in that list. Okay, and the sets are unordered means the elements in the sets are changed continuously. So indexing won't work here. But how can we access the set elements? Because index is not worked, right? Because they are unordered. The way they are stored is different each time you run the program. So by using this for loop, we can access the elements. So sets are mutable. So we can access the elements or we can add that. By using this add is a built-in function which is used to add a single element. What if I want to add multiple elements? Simply s dot update. Update is a method which is used to add multiple elements in that list, in that tuple. Okay, not tuple, sorry, set. Okay, so this is how we can add the multiple items to a set. So how can we delete the elements in the sets? By using this remove method, we can remove a element from the set. So remove and the discard both are the similar methods, but when you give the element which will not exist in the list, in the set, to remove that element, when you use this s dot remove, then it throws an error. If the element not found, it gives an error. So but the discard does not give the error. So it is not even displays the message, but it does not show any kind of error when the element is not even exist in that particular set. Okay, in a similar way here we are having pop method, so which is used to remove a random element. If you want to specify the element, you can, or else it removes the random element, where clear is used to delete the entire set. Okay, to delete all the elements from the set. These are the set operations, nothing but union, intersection. So in mathematics you studied about that union of two sets, right? Do you know what about mean union means? Union is nothing but combining the two sets. So combining the two sets and representing them in a single set, this is the union. And by this Python we can perform the set 1 dot union of set 2, or else we are having, this is the R operator, right? When we go through the operators in this Python, this is known as a R operator, which is nothing but union. R is nothing but the element is in set 1 or else in set 2. There is no compulsory. Okay, so intersection is nothing but it writes the common elements in the sets. It means that the elements which are common in the both sets, they are combined and forms a new set. Okay, this is nothing but and operator, where the element must exist in the both sets. If this the element is not existed, then it not added to the new set. Okay, this is how a dot intersection of b, it means that set 1 dot intersection set b. In a similar way here we are having difference. Okay, no worries, now here we are going to execute all these methods in our VS Code. Okay, so difference is nothing but it gives the element in A but not in B. It means that A minus B means it gives all the elements in A, but the elements which are in A but not in B. అంటే ఏలో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్నిటిని ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది, కాకపోతే ఏలో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ సెట్ ఏలో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ సెట్ బిలో ఉండకూడదు. అది డిఫరెన్స్ అంటే. ఇప్పుడు బి మైనస్ ఏ ఉంది కదా, సో బి మైనస్ ఏ అంటే సెట్ బిలో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్నీ ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది, కాకపోతే బిలో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏలో ఉండకూడదు, అలాంటి వాటిని ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, దిస్ అవర్ డిఫరెన్స్. ప్లీజ్ గో త్రూ ద డెఫినేషన్ అండ్ అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్ విత్ వెరీ క్లియర్లీ. ఓకే, సిమెట్రిక్ డిఫరెన్స్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ గివ్స్ ద యూనిక్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. అంటే రెండిట్లో ఉన్న కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ కాకుండా రెండిట్లో కామన్గా లేని ఎలిమెంట్స్ని ఇస్తుంది. ఓకే, అవుట్పుట్ as. So these are the set methods. That is nothing but subset, and other one is nothing but superset. Okay, do you know what is meant by subset and superset? In mathematics we have studied, right? Subset is nothing but if A is said to be subset of B, then we can say that all the elements in the A must be present in the B. అంటే ఏ అనేది బీకి సబ్సెట్ అంటే ఏలో ఉన్న ప్రతి ఒక్క ఎలిమెంటు బిలో ఉందని అర్థమే కదా. సో ఎవ్రీ ఎలిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఈస్ ఆల్సో ప్రజెంట్ ఇన్ బి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ హౌ వీ క్యాన్ రీప్రజెంట్ ద సబ్సెట్. ఓకే, సబ్సెట్ అనేది బి డాట్ సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ. ఇట్ మీన్స్ దట్ బి ఈజ్ సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ వేర్ ఆల్ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇన్ ద బి మస్ట్ బి ప్రజెంట్ ఇన్ ద ఏ. ఈ సెట్స్లో చూడండి, బిలో 1 2 ఉంది, సో ఏలో కూడా 1 2 ఉంది కదా. సో దట్స్ వై వీ సే దట్ ఏ బి ఈజ్ సబ్సెట్ టు ఏ. ఓకే, ఇన్ సిమిలర్ వే superset means set A is superset to the B if A contain all the elements of B. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏ అనేది బీకి సబ్సెట్ అయితే బి అనేది ఏకి సూపర్ సెట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇన్వర్స్ టు దట్. ఇప్పుడు బి అనేది ఏకి సబ్సెట్ కనుక అయితే ఏ ఈజ్ సూపర్ సెట్ టు ద బి. ఇట్ మీన్స్ దట్ ఆల్ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇన్ ద బి ఆర్ ఇన్ ద ఏ. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ ఏ సిమిలర్ వే వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ మెంబర్షిప్ ఆపరేటర్. సో మెంబర్షిప్ ఆపరేటర్ అంటే ఒక పర్టికులర్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఆ యొక్క సెట్లో ఉందా లేదా తెలుసుకోవడానికి. ఇట్ రిటర్న్స్ ద బూలియన్ వాల్యూస్ వే ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్. ఓకే, నౌ హియర్ వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ సెట్ కంప్రెషన్స్. లిస్ట్ కంప్రెషన్ లాగా సింప్లెస్ట్ మెథడ్ టు క్రియేట్ ద సెట్స్ వేర్ వాట్ మేక్స్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద curly brackets. Sets are used to represent the curly brackets. Okay, now here we are having another type of set that is nothing but forgen set. సో దీనికి దానికి ఏం పెద్ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఉండదు, రెండింటిని ఒకటేలాగా చూపిస్తాము. బట్ హియర్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ దిస్ ఫార్జన్ సెట్ అని చెప్పి యూజ్ చేస్తాము. కాకపోతే దిస్ ఆర్ ద immutable sets. So set is a mutable data type, right? Where forgen set is nothing but immutable data type. We cannot add or remove the elements. So these are the difference between this set and the forgen set. Okay, now here we are going to execute all these topics in our VS Code. This is the how we create our first set. Okay, set is nothing but by using the square brackets, and here we are going to mention these elements in that particular set. Now when we print these elements, so this is the output we got. Okay, now as I said that sets are nothing but it is used to store multiple elements, right? How can you say that it's a set? By using this type operator we can find out that type of set. Okay, now let's execute and let's see. It gives that class of set. Okay, the given variable is nothing but a set data type. As usual way, what if I mentioned a random elements? It suppose 1 comma 1 1 1 and then 2 3 3. So now let me print this, print set. Okay, when I execute this program, so see the repeated elements cannot printed. So that is the magic of this set. It does not allow the duplication of elements, where it only stores the values which are unique. It means that they cannot be repeated at once. Okay, this is how. Indexing is not allowed in the sets, right? But how can we add new elements in the sets? For that, here we are have a method that is nothing but set dot add. For suppose let me add 100 to that and the print that particular set. So this is the output where 100 is added at the 1 2 3 4 fourth index. It means the third index. Where let me again run this program and let's see is there any difference in that position. There is nothing more difference, but this is added where the element is added at random position. Okay, random index, because sets are unordered, right? The index is not in a perfect manner. In a similar way, how to add multiple elements? If I want to add multiple elements, I simply set dot, you can update and you can add the multiple values like this. Okay, this is how, by using this update method, you can add the multiple items to a set 1 2 3 and 50 30 where they are added unordered way 30 40 50, right? 50 30 40. So this is how they are unordered and the data where changes continuously. In similar way, how to remove the elements in the sets? By using this remove method, simple, that is nothing but where set, right? Where set dot remove, let me remove 100 element that which we are added, right? Print that particular set and execute this program. There it removes the 100th element. What if I mention the element which not present in the particular set? So what will happen? Let's see. It gives this error which is nothing but a key error where the entered key is not in that particular set. Okay, in a similar way, here I am having discard method. Discard is used in similar way to remove the particular element from the set. So this is how we can remove the element by using the discard method. So what if I mentioned the element which is not present in the list? So it does not produce any error, it produces the given set. Okay, discard method is also used to remove particular element, but if you give the element which is not present in that set, then it do not provide any error, it just provides, it does not do anything, it just does not provide any error. Okay, there are say another method that is nothing but a pop is nothing but used to remove the random element. So which element is removed? The element which is at the zero index one is removed randomly. By using this pop, you can remove the random element. We are having another one that is nothing but clear. Okay, set dot clear is used to remove all the elements from the set. Okay, this is how we create the empty set by using this clear method. Now here we are going to discuss about some of the set operations, right? Union, intersection, all this. So let me name a set one. A is nothing but 1 2 3 4 5 6 and B is equals to 1 2 6 7 8 and the 9. Okay, now let me print A or B. So here we are using both the operators as well as union and the intersection methods. Okay, these are the by, so R is used to combine the two sets, right? So this is how the combination occurs. Or else here you can specify print A dot union of B. It means that combine the elements in the set 1 and the set 2. Okay, this is the output we got when combining the two sets. In a similar way, here we are having the intersection. Intersection is nothing but the common elements in the both sets. Okay, for that we can use this AND operator, or else by using this intersection method we can find out the common elements in the two sets. 1 and the 2 are the common elements in the both sets. Okay, so find out this the set 1 A and B. So 1 and 2 are the common elements. So by using this intersection we can find out that. So how to check the difference? A minus B, or else we are having print A dot difference is a method dot B. It means that what does it returns? The elements which are present in A but not in B. Okay, అంటే ఏలో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ బీలో ఉండకూడదు. ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఏలో ఏం ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 1 2 3 4 5 ఉన్నాయి. బీలో ఏమున్నాయి? 1 2 6 7 8 9. అంటే ఏలో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ బీలో ఉండకూడదు. అంటే 1 ఉందా? 1 బీలో కానీ ఉంది, 2 ఉంది బీలో కానీ 2 ఉంది, బట్ 3, 4, 5 elements which are in A but not in B. అంటే ఏలో 3, 4, 5 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, బిలో లేవు. సో దట్ ఈస్ హౌ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఏ అండ్ బి. సో ఒకవేళ రివర్స్లో పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తే బి మైనస్ ఏ. ఓకే, వాట్ డస్ వెన్ వీ ఆల్టర్ దిస్? బి మైనస్ ఏ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? బిలో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏవైతే ఏలో లేవో అది అవుట్పుట్ అనేది వస్తుంది. 8, 9, 6, 7. అంటే బిలో ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏమున్నాయి? 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. బిలో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏలో ఉండకూడదు. అంటే బిలో 1, 2 ఉంది, ఏలో కానీ 1, 2 ఉంది, కానీ బిలో 6, 7, 8, 9 ఉన్నాయి, కానీ ఏలో 6, 7, 8, 9 లేవు. సో డిఫరెన్స్ అంటే దీంట్లో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ దాంట్లో ఏవైతే ఉండవో వాటిని ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, and then here we are having another most important method, that is nothing but symmetric difference. Okay, now let's see what is meant by symmetric difference and how does it works. Okay, symmetric difference of B. This is how we can check this by using this method. So symmetric difference ante 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It means that 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 it gives which is opposite to the intersection. Intersection అంటే ఏముంది? కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అనేటివి ఇస్తుంది. బట్ సిమెట్రిక్ డిఫరెన్స్ అయితే రెండిట్లో కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ని తీసేసి యూనిక్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ని ఇస్తుంది. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏబీ ఉంది కదా, ఏబీలో కామన్గా రిపీట్ అయినట్టు ఏమున్నాయి? 1, 2 రిపీట్ అయింది, ఇక్కడ 1, 2 రిపీట్ అయింది. కాబట్టి ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ యూస్ చేసి 1, 2ని కంబైన్ చేసి ఒక సెట్ ఇస్తుంది. కానీ సిమెట్రిక్ డిఫరెన్స్ అంటే ఆ కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ని రిమూవ్ చేసి ఆ రెండిట్లో ఉన్న సెట్స్లో ఉన్న యూనిక్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ని కంబైన్ చేసి ఇస్తుంది. అంటే 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 దే బోత్ ఆర్ కంబైన్డ్ అండ్ దే ఆర్ స్టోర్డ్ ఇన్ ఏ యూనిక్ లిస్ట్. ఓకే, this is about the symmetric difference. And then subset to superset. So for that let me create another set 1, 2, 3 and d 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me check that. Print c dot subset. Does c subset to c is subset to d? So can anyone guess? Does c is subset to d? True. ట్రూ ఇచ్చింది అంటే ఏంటి? సిలో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్నీ డిలో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఇట్ గివ్స్ దట్ సి ఈజ్ సబ్సెట్ టు డి సెట్. అంటే ఒక సెట్ ఎప్పుడు మనం సబ్సెట్ అని చెప్తాము? ఎప్పుడైతే దాంట్లో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్నీ ఇంకో సెట్లో ఉంటాయో దెన్ వీ కెన్ సే దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద సబ్సెట్ టు ద పర్టికులర్ సెట్. ఓకే, that is how we discussed. In similar way it gives true. It means that d is superset to the c. అంటే c అనేది d కి సబ్సెట్ అయితే d అన్నది c కి సూపర్ సెట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే cలో ఉన్న సపరేట్ డెఫినేషన్ ఏం లేదు. ఒక c అనేది d కి సబ్సెట్ కనుక అయితే cకి dకి మధ్య ఉన్న రిలేషన్ వచ్చి సబ్సెట్, బట్ dకి cకి మధ్య ఉన్న రిలేషన్ ఏంది? దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ సూపర్ సెట్. ఓకే, these are all these methods. And another most important topic, that is nothing but set comprehension. So list comprehension elago by using these expressions. So we are having test set comprehensions. Okay, that is nothing but creating a single set by using these expressions. Let me create all even numbers. Even numbers is nothing but x. Okay, x into x for x in range of 10. So what does it gives? So it does not gives any even numbers, it just gives the square of all the numbers. Okay, let me print it. So it gives this 1, 2 square of all the numbers, but make sure that in the list you have the order, right? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, but here it gives that 1 square and 0 square, 1 square and 8 square, 2 square, the random, where indexing, that is the reason why indexing is not allowed, because they are unordered. See, this is the live example for that, they are the unordered. In similar way, what if I want to print even numbers? Just I have to integrate the condition. If x modulo to w is equals to 0, then simple, I gonna get all the even numbers from that set, where 1, 0, 64, 4, 36, and 16. These are the even numbers. So that's how we can create by using the uh, list compression. In similar way, here we are having forgen set. How to create that? It's just a similar topic. Just note it down. It's very useful. Okay. Now here, let me create a variable. Fs is nothing but forgen set of. Here we are going to pass the list of elements. Okay. Now let me print that particular. It gives that this is the data type forgen set of 1 2 3 4 where list set data type. Similar way, can we make any changes in this where fs of, so indexing is not allowed right here. So let me print in, let me add any number, fs dot add of let me add 4. So does it going to give output or else it shows any error? So it shows that error where Fargen set object has no add function attribute error. It means that it does not allow any mutability. It means that Fargen sets are immutable, right? They are not allows of adding or changing the elements. Okay. If you have any doubts, please go to the comment section and make sure that you must make the difference between this list tuple and then the sets.